So I'm gonna get underneath because it looks like there's an easier way to do this, and yeah, so I'm gonna get started on that. It looks like a pain in the ass, but I think I can get it. I've never taken a reservoir off of one of these before. The Honda is much easier. It's right in the front. Excuse me, the Kawasaki, the Ninja. It's right in the front. But this one, well, I'm going to find out. And so I'm going to be learning as I go. Alright, so I'm just going to let the fluid drain. That's the coolant. And then replace it with the new one. And just, of course, put that right back in. And get it back to my client's house. Yeah, it's pretty busted up. It was being held actually together by some black tape. Not electric. Where's that piece? Something like this. Alright. There's more coming out. Good, good. I was of the opinion that some reason it drained all the way out. That hopefully that at least, you know, went through the motor. The coolant. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to get back to it. Get this baby off. And put the new one back on. And start it up and then take it to my client's house. I want to be careful because I don't have another hose. Alright, got it off. You know, it does have, it had plenty of it inside. Good, good. Alright, I'm going to get it over to the desk. Get the rest out. This is 50-50 coolant. I need to be careful because I have stray cats that I help and I don't want to mix this up here. Here's the new one. Alright, let's get the camera off me. Alright, give it a little twist. And don't be scared to get the coolant on your hands. Don't lose your bolt. Alright. take this one off. Place it somewhere because you could use that later. Don't lose things. Put this one back. Let's get the reservoir back on. Alright, so we're just putting our tubes back on, our hoses back in the right spot. You want to make sure you're feeding it to the right hose so that it's properly running through the engine. It fits. Good. Goody gumdrops. Alright, that's good. That's good. Where did I put my clamp? Okay, I ended up putting the hose that goes to the top of the reservoir that comes down so that it drains. I ended up putting it onto the other side of the reservoir. All right, it happens. Yeah. All right, moving on. All right, there's the new one. It's got to put one more hose back on. And we're golden. This bad boy right here. Let me get it back on. Just a minute. All right, good to go. Everything's on. We just got to bolt it on and put the fluid. Start it up. Okay. Now the seat's off. Why? Because it looks like I was doing more work than what I really was. Alright. Let me get this bad boy some coolant in and get it going. Alright. Put in the coolant. Alright, before we put it all, we want to make sure that no liquids are coming out. Oh, great. Oh, nothing. Good. Keep going. Right. Yeah, man. Okay. Let's get this back on. Put the funnel somewhere clean. I think my dog makes up stuff to bark at. How about yours? Alright, we'll put the seat on. Give this baby a go. He does have a partner, so I'm pretty sure he's going to be riding with her. Lucky gal. Does that make any sense? Probably doesn't. That really makes sense. We are done. Finito. Let's look around, make sure I didn't leave any tools. All the tools are put away. Sorry about the mess. Winter storage. Alright. Everything's good. Start her up, go for a ride. Let me go get my jacket. Alright, so that'll do it. We got the coolant running in. Gonna go for a ride. I'm gonna call my client, take the bike, and then that's it. Go get some money. Thanks for being with me. Peace. Alright, no drip. All good?
Yeah, we get it. Ain't got no fattest in any ways. Flows is vicious, the venom is wicked, and that's what we keeping these souls about.
Gosh, just the sheer difference of how the bike feels. Very different. I prefer this, but damn. Alan just has the, just has the balls.
Look at me, I draw attention.